diabetes sugar wang basi akoi khodi maglai sugar lay ba normal range lay ba wang basi di symptom lay tie ba aduna heart attack akoi is diabetes and high blood pressure hypertension in high blood pressure is these two are called silent killers of human society human beings yeng bioba adu from time to time check up tawmatam da please come forward from time to time ko na sudum gantaw di sana sudum hujikti am gantaw re aduga dei kono da this city the metro cities India the train station the bus station the BPO na ba the adum thengna reba train station the bus station da and wait one na kon ba sima adu na traga walk in and then get it done wellness centers it is just takes 5 minutes not more than 5 minutes but that can save life that can save from stroke that can save from heart attack why not we do it and then live a healthy life in a healthy society sports oina aduga leisure oina ju sine adi duna dragati another sidoini Blue Sky Hospital on the stroke day, the 29th of October. Atopa mana professional haitareko, professional BFO before they join the profession. Navy,